It's a momentous day for DMU Dubai today because we are at the launch of the Case Centre, the very first in the DMU family, in the De Montfort family. And we're very, very proud today to be launching this along with our lead faculty, Dr. Nadir Ali. This centre is going to create net new knowledge, which is local to our region, which is pertinent to our students' learning, and is going to bring together industry, academia, and students all together, creating that knowledge.
Which is really exciting because it's the first of those centres that we've got. But it's going to be forming part of the way in which we contribute to knowledge, and it's something that Mike here might want to talk about.
A lot of our strategy moving forward around research and innovation would be in bringing the nexus of businesses, universities and students together so that we can create something that is really helpful. It's something that has currency both for our students but also for the communities that we serve, including a lot of the businesses. So to see this happening here today in Dubai is just amazing. We very much look forward to learning from this and see what's transferable and usable across Leicester but also across all of our other campuses around the world.